Hey guys, so welcome to another video. My name is MUAAZ and in this video I will show you a quick unboxing of iPhone 11 Pro. So I recently switched to iPhone 11 Pro from iPhone 7 Plus. I purchased this phone from Amazon.ae because Amazon.ae is selling FaceTime model that comes from the USA. So I purchased iPhone 11 Pro 64GB space gray color. So without wasting any further time, let's unbox this. If you talk about the design, iPhone 11 Pro is pretty much similar to last year's iPhone XS. Only visible upgrade is the triple camera setup on the back of the phone. Now you have 3 cameras on the back as compared to the 2 cameras on the iPhone XS. Triple camera setup on the back has one ultra wide, one wide and one telephoto lens. And you can shoot videos simultaneously using these 3 lenses. You can record quality videos and you can take some stunning photos using the triple camera setup in this iPhone. I will talk about the cameras in detail at a later stage in this video. So let's put the phone on the side and talk about the accessories that come with the phone. You have some paperwork in the box as usual. Then you have a lightning AirPods that come with all the iPhones. This year iPhone has upgraded the charger to a 20-watt fast charger, but if you buy iPhone 11 you will get the same old 5-watt charger. The lightning cable is also upgraded and now you have a USB Type-C to lightning cable. All the buttons and the silent switch is same as the last year's iPhone XS. The display is upgraded by Apple and now it is Super Retina XDR display. So this is the brightest display from Apple and it can go up to 1200 nits. This display also supports HDR content. So the videos look really good on this display and the brightness is great too. iPhone 11 Pro comes with physical dual SIM as well as one physical SIM and one eSIM. So I bought a model with one physical SIM and one eSIM. You can insert one nano SIM card in this iPhone and the other SIM is eSIM. Triple camera setup in iPhone 11 Pro has f1.8 22mm wide camera, f2.0 52mm telephoto lens and f2.4 13mm ultra wide camera. So you can use these cameras to take videos or still photos. iPhone 11 Pro supports 2x optical zoom and up to 6x digital zoom. Ultra wide is 5-element lens while telephoto and wide are 6-element lens. You have true tone LED flash and you can switch between cameras while shooting the video. So I have attached some sample photos using this camera and the triple camera setup can capture a lot of details with high contrast and accurate colors. Wide and telephoto lens also have optical image stabilization. You can record 4K 60fps videos using all the 3 cameras on back of iPhone 11 Pro. And the videos look great without using any gimbal. So you can use this phone as a vlogging camera for your video projects. On the front now you have 12 megapixel selfie camera and you can record 4K 60fps with the front selfie camera. You can also record slow-mo videos at 1080p 240fps using the front 12 megapixel selfie camera. The OLED panel in iPhone 11 Pro can support HDR content and the maximum brightness is 1200 nits. The viewing angles are great in iPhone 11 Pro. There is not a huge difference if you compare the screen of iPhone 11 Pro with iPhone XS. There are some minor changes in the display quality. They have also removed 3D touch from iPhone 11 Pro and now you have haptic touch. This also helped in increasing the battery life of iPhone 11 Pro. Games look great on iPhone 11 Pro with A13 Bionic chip. A13 Bionic chip is also capable to record videos using the triple camera setup and it can create stunning image quality using the 3 cameras on the back of the iPhone 11 Pro. The RAM is considered to be 4GB in this iPhone, but everything is super fluid and smooth using the 4GB RAM and A13 Bionic chip. So I tested PUBG and Call of Duty Modern Warfare on this phone and I had no issues while playing those games. The gameplay is smooth and everything looks great. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and please do subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.